Bella, sniffs Bay. Bella, are you awake? Bella moans and rolls over. It's the middle of the night. Why is Bay awake? What's going on? Squawks Peppy, his feathers ruffled from waking up. I had a really scary nightmare, Bay whines, starting to cry again. It had monsters in it. Well, what do you want me to do? Bella asks, annoyed. I don't know, sniffs Bay, but I feel scared. I don't want to go back to bed. The monsters might come back. Peppy nudges Bella with his wing. Bay is scared, Bella. You should comfort him. Bella sighs. That's the problem. Bay had a nightmare and I don't know how to help him. Can you ask TikTok? Twitters Peppy. Good idea, Bella replies, tapping TikTok twice. TikTok, I have a problem. Bay had a nightmare about monsters. I want to help him feel better, but I don't know how. What should I do? TikTok lights up.
Bella, you have 4 choices. You can call Bay a crybaby. You can tell him the nightmare wasn't real. You can tell him to go back to bed. Or you can give him a hug.
TikTok explains.
Bella thinks. Choose before she blinks.